Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Celsius WG herbicide. First, identify the specific weeds you need to control to confirm Celsius WG is the right choice. Always wear personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection, before handling any chemicals. Next, calibrate your sprayer carefully to ensure you apply the correct amount of product for effective weed control and safety. Now, let's mix it up. Begin by filling your spray tank with 1/2 of the total water needed. Then, carefully measure between 0.057 and 0.085 ounces of Celsius WG for every 1,000 square feet you plan to treat. Finally, add a non-ionic surfactant at a rate of 0.25% to 0.5% by volume to enhance the herbicide's effectiveness. When applying Celsius WG, timing is key. For optimal results, apply the herbicide when weeds are actively growing. Make sure to achieve even coverage across all target weed areas, but avoid oversaturating. It's also important to avoid application when temperatures are consistently above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, as this can reduce effectiveness and potentially harm your turf. After you've finished applying Celsius WG, it's crucial to clean your sprayer thoroughly to prevent any cross-contamination. Store any remaining product in its original container in a cool, dry, and secure location, away from direct sunlight. Finally, for everyone's safety, ensure that pets and children are kept away from treated areas until the herbicide has completely dried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.